Now I am going to discuss one of the important paper for your library science program, that is the practical library classification. Dear student, now we are going to discuss one of the important paper for your library science program, that is the practical library classification. Here you think why we have to going to learn this type of the practical library classification. Before that, you must know, or you have to refresh what is the library, what is the document. The first, the library is a common place to keeping all the kind of the document in different language, in different title. What is the book? Book is any handwritten information or printed information, already in one definite order. It will give you one shape. Not only that, it will give you useful information to the society. This particular form is, it would be called as a book. The book is majorly classified in two categories. One is the book, the another one is the non-book. The book and the non-book, so keeping in one place, the particular place is called as a library. Here, you take the any one library. Already all the libraries are facing the one problem, that is the identification problem. The identification is one of the important problem not only for the library. For example, you take the fruit stall. In the fruit stall of your city, the already is keeping different kind of the fruits in the same variety. For example, you take apple. In the fruit stall, already is keeping the different kind of the apple. For example, Kashmir apple, Himachal Pradesh apple, Bangalore apple. Any one person come and ask, I want a Kashmir apple. The fruit stall man, within a fraction of the second, he is able to find out which one is belonging to the Kashmir apple, which one is belonging to the Himachal Pradesh apple, which one is belonging to the Bangalore apple. Here, the fruit stall man is already to follow one layman classification order to identify the fruits. It is one of the example. After that, the another one example for identifying the materials in the shop. You take here the pharmacy. The pharmacy is already keeping the different kind of the antibiotics medicine. The patient to provide the prescription sheet for the pharmacy man within a fraction of the scientist can able to find out the exact antibiotic medicine. So behind the screen, pharmacy man already followed the one layman order to arranging the medicine, even the medical shop. The third one example, you take here the matching center. In the matching center, all the matching materials already is arranged, followed by the one order. Then only all the users satisfy the shopman within a time limit. So, the identification is one of the important problem, even the fruit stall, the pharmacy and the matching center. So, what is the importance of the library? Library is the common place to keeping all the kind of the document in different language, in different title, in different size. Definitely, all the librarian to face identifying the document in the library operation. Then only, so we have to learn this type of the practical library classification. So after that, what is the library classification? So we have to going to apply the any one classification idea to arranging the document in the library. The particular idea is called as the library classification. The so many library classification systems are very familiar in national and international level. I think the more than 8 classification systems are very familiar at international level. So among all the classification system, only the 3 system is frequently used at India and abroad countries. The one is the CC system, that is a colon classification system. The second one is the Dewey Decimal Classification System. The third one is the Universal Decimal Classification System. These three systems are frequently used in our India and Southeast Asian countries. Now, we see the classification system. The first one is the colon classification system. The second one is the Dewey Decimal Classification System. The third one is the Universal Decimal Classification System. Now, so I am a person who is going to discuss in front of you one of the important classification system of the colon classification system. The colon classification system is a Indian system. The particular system is devised by the Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. S.R. Ranganathan means Sriyali Ramamurtha Ranganathan. The particular system is published in the year of the 1933. So after that, it is a wider used system in India and Southeast Asian countries. So not only that, the colon classification system is having the theoretical background. Each and every steps is already given in this particular system, based on the strong theory. So after that, it is an Indian system, the same time internationally accepted system. So not only that, the colon classification system is a analytico-synthetic scheme of classification system. Before that, you know what is the analytico-synthetic scheme of classification. Here, the S.R. Ranganathan, to analyze each and every statement of the title, and then only to able to find out the meaning of the statement of the title. Then only the particular system is called as a analytico-synthetic scheme of classification. Now, second we have to learn, so what is the structure and layout of the colon classification schedule? The colon classification schedule is the single volumed schedule. It contains three main parts. The part one is the rules. In this particular part 1, solely given all the rules related for all the main class of this particular colon classification system. The part 2 is the schedule. So in this area, already given all the main class number for the classification purpose. So after that, the third one area is the index area. This particular index area is already given all the important statement arranged in the dictionary format. Suppose anybody having any doubt to verify the particular system, they straight away come and refer the index area. In the first part of the rules part, is already given all the rules related for all the main class, and the special auxiliaries already is given for this particular schedule. The second area, the schedule area, it is a main area for this particular CC schedule. This particular area already given the S.R. Ranganathan all the main class classification number. For example, the S.R. Ranganathan already given A denote for science, B denote for mathematics, C denote for physics, D denote for engineering, E denote for chemistry, F denote for technology, H denote for geology, I denote for botany, J denote for agriculture, K denote for zoology, L denote for medicine, M denote for useful arts, N denote for the fine arts, P denote for the linguistics, Q denote for the religion, R denote for the philosophy, S denote for the psychology, T denote for the education, U denote for the geography, V denote for the history, X denote for the economics, Y denote for the zoology, Z denote for the law. Here in the second part, the S.R. Ranganathan already used the artificial alphabetical letter that denote for all the worldwide subject. So after that, third part, the S.R. Ranganathan to given here all the important the statement already used in all the main class of the CC schedule. It is a major thing the S.R. Ranganathan already used in the colon classification system. So after that, I will tell you the one important information. This colon classification system is the full and full artificial classification system. Not only in the colon classification system, all the worldwide classification system is all are in the artificial classification system. There is no the scientific proofs. So after that, the same the S.R. Ranganathan to use the, in this particular column classification system, to the facet formula for the each main class of the system. The what purpose the S.R. Ranganathan to use the facet formula for the each and every main class of the column classification system. It is the formula like that, a mathematical formula to use all the main class in this particular system. So what is the reason S.R. Ranganathan to use this type of the facet formula? With the help of the facet formula, so we are a able person to find out the depth class number for the any one document of the library. It is a reason the S.R. Ranganathan to use the facet formula. After that, what is the facet? All the subject, all the each and every statement is called as the facet. Here, the S.R. Ranganathan to introduce the facet formula like that: personality, matter, energy, space and time. The P for personality, M for matter, E for energy, S for space and T for time. It is a common facet formula solely given each and every main class of the CC schedule. So after that, the same S.R. Ranganathan to introduce the another one facet formula P1, P2, P3, P4. Here the S.R. Ranganathan to consider as all the subject content is like that the levels of the first level personality, second level personality, third level personality and fourth level personality. The what purpose the S.R. Ranganathan to use the different type of the facet formula in his column classification system. The only is the reason to finding the depth class number for the any one document of the library. It is a reason. So after that, S.R. Ranganathan again to introduce some special auxiliaries in the column classification system. For example, the S.R. Ranganathan introduced the common isolate. In this common isolate list, the S.R. Ranganathan solely is given all the common reference material, the statement. For example, dictionary, the encyclopedia, map, the letters. These are the common statement, so going to connect any one main class of the CC system. That's why already S.R. Ranganathan given a statement, the common isolate. Again the S.R. Ranganathan to introduce the another one special auxiliaries for the column classification system is the phase relation. In the phase relation area, already given S.R. Ranganathan the three type of the phase relation. One is the intra-array phase relation, intra-facet phase relation and inter-subject phase relation. Each and every the intra-array, intra-facet and inter-subject phase relation to respond 5 kind of the relation. That is the general phase relation, the biased phase relation, the influenced phase relation, difference phase relation, the comparison phase relation. For example, here what type of the special ideas already is considered in this particular area. For example, you take a textbook of botany and zoology. Here, general relations is already given. So after that, the psychology for doctor. Here, the biased phase relations already employed. Comparison of the botany and zoology. Here, the comparison relation is already employed. The difference between the biology and zoology. Here, the difference relation is always employed. So, this type of the advanced idea, the S.R. Ranganathan already given in the area of the special auxiliaries. So, after that, the same the S.R. Ranganathan again to given the another one the special ideas in the name of the system and special. Here, the S.R. Ranganathan to use this type of the system and special idea, some main class of the CC system. For example, you take the medicine. In the medicine subject, the S.R. Ranganathan to use this type of the system and special idea. For example, I am telling the one thing. Here, the homeopathic medicine is only to cure some kind of the special disease for the particular age group of the people. So in this occasion, the S.R. Ranganathan to use this type of the system and special ideology. Dear student, now we have to introduce the step-by-step procedure for practical classification. Here, so you have to apply the colon classification ideology to classify this type of the title. The first one title already I am written textbook of physics. Here, so you have to analyze the which one statement is getting a more important and more concreteness for the given title. Here, the more important statement is the physics. So suddenly you are a able person to recognize, so what is the notations for the physics? Here, the C denote for the physics. So after that, the another auxiliary statement is a textbook of. Here, the textbook of is not given the any one meaning for this particular title. That's why the simply you have to omit the textbook of. So what is the number for classification, CC classification number for this particular title? The C is the enough number for the textbook of the physics. So after that, then the second one title is the textbook of the chemistry. Here also you have to apply the same ideology to the previous title. Here, chemistry. Only you are a able person to, what is the notation denote for the chemistry subject for the CC system. Here, E is a notation for the chemistry subject. The simply you have to put a E for the any one document. The particular document is belonging to the chemistry subject. So after that, the simply you have to avoid the textbook of. These are the simple title. Then only you are a able person to easy to understand what is the notation for the physics and chemistry. So after that, you come to the third one title. So in this third one title, suddenly given book selection in libraries. Here, the first you are a person to analyze the libraries come under the which one main class of the CC system. So after that, the book selection come under the which one area of the facet formula. First, you are a person to analyze the library. The library is an important statement for this third one title. The library is simply associated to the library science main class of the CC system. Then after that, so you have to recognize number 2 is the denote for the library science in the colon classification system. The simply you have to take a number 2 for the libraries for the library science subject. So after that you come to the find out the book selections come under the which one area of the PMEST. Definitely the book selection is come under the energy area. So automatically you are a able person to know what is the number for the book selection. Simply the book selection number, you are going to connect this particular basic subject of the library science. It is a correct call number for the third one title. So after this come to the fourth one title. The fourth one title is the classification of the manuscript in national libraries. So in this title, which one is the important statement? The first important statement is the library. After that, already given what is the level of the library. Local library, national library, city library, etc., etc. Here, the national statement shall be given for the library. Automatically, you have to take a number from the library science in the personality area for the national statement. And then you have to analyze manuscript statement, so come under the which one area of the facet formula. Here, the manuscript definitely is come under the matter facet of the facet formula of the library science subject. Simply you go and take a manuscript number for the matter facet of the library science subject. After that is come to the last one statement of the classification. The classification of the number shall be given in the energy area of the library science subject. Simply you have to take the classification number from the energy area of the library science to connect a manuscript. It is the correct way, so you are applying the colon classification idea to find out the class number for the any one title of the colon classification system. Second one, the example for you, you are going to understand the easy way, the which one statement is belonging to the personality, the which one statement is belonging to the matter, the which one statement is belonging to the energy, the which one statement is going to associate it to the space, and the which one statement is going to associate to the time. Here, for your convenience, suddenly I am a person to arranging all the statement like this. Depend upon the statement of the title, so you are a able person to arranging this type of the statement for the any one document title. Here, the library is science. In this particular title, again you have to read, then only you are able person to understand which one is the important statement of the title. Here, in library science and introduction to the classification of the printed books in university libraries in India in 1930s. So you are a able person to recognize the which one is the space, the which one is the time, the based on the statement. Here the India is the space. In 1930 is the time. There is no problem to identify the true statement of the any one title, that is the space and time. So after that, the only is the problem you are going to face, the which one is the personality, which one is the matter, which one is the energy of the any one title. Here, so you have to understand the meaning of this particular title, the library science. The library science is a main class. So after that, in the library science subject, shall given the introduction to the classification of the printed books. The classification is an important statement for the library science subject. The classification statement is commanded the energy area. After that, the printed books. Definitely, the any one library is keeping the printed books. Based on this ideology, the printed books is conveying the some kind of the information in printed form for the user. It is the idea you are a person going to analyze the statement of the title. Here, printed books definitely is commanded the matter facet. So after that, the another one statement is the university libraries. The university library is the important statement for this particular title. So why I am telling here, so you have to recognize, so one of the important ideology of the S.R. Ranganathan for the wall picture principle. The first, you are a person who is going to draw the any one picture, definitely we need a one wall. This type of the scientific idea is already used by the Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Then only he is a able man to construct this type of the ideology is already used in his colon classification system. It is a idea. Based on this idea, I am a person to arranging all the statement based on the facet formula. Here, the first we are a person to give a important for the basic main class, library science. You are a able person to recognize what is the notations for the library science. 2 is the notations for the library science subject. After that, you have to arranging all the statement in the title, the classification. The classification is come under the energy area of the library science subject. The number is the 5-1. So after that, the printed books. The printed books is come under the matter facet of the library science subject. The number is the 1-4. So after that, so you are a person to know what is the number for the university library. The university library definitely is come under the personality facet of the library science subject. 3-4 is the numerical number denoted for the university library in the personality area of the library science subject. After that, the India. The 4-4 number is denoted for the India. The India number already given in the space isolate of the schedule. Not only for the India, all the international countries is already given a number in the space isolate area. After that, the time. Here, is already given 1930. The 1930 or 1940 or 1950 or 2010 or 2020, all the time notations are given in the time isolate area. You go and take the time isolate area for the number for this particular year of the 1930. Here, suddenly given the 1900 to 1999 years already given in the N area of the time isolate. Then only I am a person to take a N denote for the 19. After that, you have to connect the particular year 30 in the particular area. So after that, so you are a person who is going to connect all the numerical number based on the facet formula and appropriate connecting symbol already suggested by the S.R. Ranganathan. Here, you are a person to recognize the connecting symbols to connect each and every facet of this particular title. So after that, the 3-4 denote for the university library. The university library is already given in the personality of the library science subject. After that, straight away you go and take a this 3, 4 number to connect a basic main class number 2. Here there is no connecting symbol in between the basic main class to the personality. So after that, simply you have to take the matter facet. Here the matter facet already is specified number printed book statement denote for the number 14. So automatically you have to recognize the facet formula. You have to connect this particular the 14 for the matter facet, and then the energy facet. Here suddenly given the energy statement, the classification, the number is the 5-1. You have to connect here the 5-1 number with the help of the colon connecting symbol, and then you are a person is going to connect here the space number to the energy number. In between you have to put a dot. Dot is a connecting symbol to connect any one space statement to the number of the PME. So after that, only the balancing statement in this particular title is the time. Time is 1930. Here the 1930 is a symbol is given in the time isolate area. The time isolate area, you go and take a number for the 19. The N denote for the 19th century. After that, simply you have to take the third and fourth digit to connect the N. That's why you have to write N30. Here, in between, you have to put the space to time, the single inverted comma. Not only in this title, the any one time facet, you are going to connect a call number of the any one document name. In between, you have to put the single inverted comma. Single inverted comma. These are the simple way. So you are a person who is going to understand for the colon classification, the practice for the any one title. That's why I am a person, already is written the step-by-step procedure for the practical classification. Now, I am discussing another one model title for your welfare. Then only I have to return X-ray treatment for the virus disease of the lungs. So in this title, already is given X-ray treatment, virus disease and the lungs. Based on this statement, so you are a able person to find out which one is the main class. Here, so you have to recognize based on the statement of the title, the lungs is one of the main organ of the human being. Based on this idea, the lungs is definitely come under the human being. So automatically you have to recognize it is come under the medicine subject. Based on this idea, you are able person to recognize the lungs come under the personality facet of the medicine subject. So after that, another one statement is given, X-ray treatment. Simply the treatment given through the X-ray method. X-ray method. Automatically you have to recognize it is come under the energy area of the medicine subject. Before that, you have to you have the person to analyze the X-ray treatment given which one the problem. Here the problem statement is already given in the virus disease. So X-ray treatment is going to given a virus disease for the lungs problem in the human being. So it is a ideology. So automatically, so you have to recognize the virus is a problem, the specific disease problem. So disease is come under the first round energy of the medicine subject. The disease, so after that the same area and the energy of the medicine subject only given all the specific disease statement, so like that a virus. Simply you have to take and write this order first. The first you have to recognize the main class medicine. The L is a notations for the medicine subject in the CC system. So after that the energy 2, the X-ray, the treatment statement is already given the second round energy of the medicine subject. Number is 6253. So you go and verify physically for the X-ray treatment number in the second round energy of the medicine subject. Is already commonly given here the 6 denote for the treatment method. So after that the 6 and its subdivision number is already given in the area the X-ray and its related treatment. After that the virus disease. The disease already is given in the first round energy E1. After that, the E1 area already given here the specific disease list. The particular list already given in the virus for the 2, 3, the 4 for the disease. So here you have to connect the virus number to the disease number. Then only you have to write a 4, 2, 3. There is no connecting symbol to connect here the particular virus number to the basic of the disease number. So after that, so come to the another one statement, the lungs. The lungs is the main human organ for the any human being. Definitely, the lungs is the statement is come under the personality of the medicine subject. It is a way to analyze the which one statement is the belonging to or associated to the which one the facet of the given title. Here the medicine is the main class, X-ray treatment is the second round energy, virus disease is the first round energy, the lungs is the personality of the medicine. So after that, so you are a person to come to the construct the synthesized form of the number. When the synthesized form of the number is a call number. So automatically you have to take here the first one is the main class L. So after that, simply you have to connect here the personality statement to the basic main class. That's why I am written L45. So after that, so you are able person to recognize, so what is the first round energy? Here the virus disease already given is the first round energy statement. So automatically you have to take here this particular 423 number to connect here the personality number. In between you have to connect, put here colon symbol. The colon symbol to recognize the energy statement. Again you are a person to connect here the X-ray treatment number to the first round energy. The X-ray treatment is the second round energy statement to connect here the first round energy of the virus disease. The simply again you have to put here another one colon in between the first round energy to the second round energy. So it is the final the synthesis form of the call number of the particular title. The next I am going to discuss one of the different the model exercise for your welfare. The homeopathy treatment for jaundice in children in Kerala. The system, the special the procedure, the special ideology is already used by the Dr. S.R. Ranganathan in the medicine subject. The particular system of the medicine, the homeopathy medicine, only to cure the particular special disease of the jaundice in the particular age group of the children in particular area of the Kerala. Then only the S.R. Ranganathan to introduce this type of the system and special ideology in the some main class of the CC system. So after that, based on this explanation, I am a person to return the homeopathy statement for the system area, and then children's is come under the special area of the medicine subject. The homeopathy number is the LL, the children's number is the L9C. And then I am a person to return the personality statement of the medicine subject, liver. Here the jaundice is the complicated function of the liver. Then only, so I have to take a liver statement here. The liver statement is already given in the personality of the medicine subject. The number is 291. So after that, generally given in here one statement in the energy area of the medicine, complicated function. The complicated function is also one of the disease. Then only I am written 453. The complication is come under the disease statement of this particular subject. So after that, the treatment statement is already given in the second round energy of the medicine subject. Then only I have to take a 6 for the treatment. After that, the Kerala number is the 4412. Then in the call number area. So it is a call number LL, 9C, 291, colon 453, colon 6. Dot 4412. It is a synthesized form of the number for this particular the given title.